You all three can't fit in there anymore? They won't let you in. There looks like there's room for you, baby. It looks like there's room for you, cause why aren't you in there? Huh, baby? You're just a loner. Where you going, Little Feather? Where are you going with your crooked tail? Huh? Look at these cute little cats. If I touch her one more time, she's going to start complaining and she will not stop. These two they're all getting close. It's so precious to watch them grow together. I'm so thankful for it. So fortunate. June is recovering nicely, safely, in a box I made just for her in the basement from her surgery she had yesterday. I know, her tail is funny looking, isn't it, baby? It's so fun to watch you guys chase your tails. That's something I never got to see Little Feather do. Oh my gosh, look how precious. I love them so much. Oh, there we did. Scarlett, you did it. Scarlett, you did it. You did it. You got her awake, I think. Watch, here comes the complaining. Oh, Cosmo, you can get up there, Angel. You can go up there. You can get up there. Let me put my stuff down. Feather, please don't mess with it, please. Cosy, you want mommy to put you in there? Come here, baby. Come here. Oh, you sweet, sweet. It's so weird that you're afraid of heights. All of you are. When I pick them up, they're all afraid of heights. Here, baby. Why? You know I'm not going to throw you or anything. Come here, sweetie. I was just going to put you with your... Here. Here. Look, you got to let go of me. Man, you're gripped on everywhere. Dude, I'm just trying to help you. You know I would never hurt you. Here, I was going to put you with your brother and sister. See? You deserve to be there too. There's still room for you, Angel. See, I wasn't trying to hurt you, Cosmo. I would never do that. I don't want you to feel left out. You deserve to be up there. There's still some room, but you don't have to be. I guess you don't want to be. Oh, she's bitching already. What a brat. I love that girl. Oh, you're so sweet. Arrow, I love you. Thank you, Arrow. You're such a sweetie pie. Yes, you are. You better take care of your sister or she's gonna be mad. Oh. You guys must taste a little bit of pizza sauce on my hands, I guess, since we just had dinner. Apparently I didn't wash my hands good enough. You all still get it? Or are you just being nice and loving your mama? Look at her beautiful stripe on her mouth. That's so cute. Sorry. I'm supposed to be walking out the door with Scarlett right now, but these cats captured my attention. I'm captivated. They're so cute. It hurts to look at them. They're so beautiful. Cosmo, where'd you go, baby? Did you see Cosy? Oh, I love you guys. What you doing, Feather? You can come up, Feather. Come here, little Feather. Baby Feather, come here. Come here to Mama. Look at your eyes glowing. I love it when the camera does that. Come on, baby Feather. Come here, girl. It's okay, honey. Oops. Oh, there goes my cap. Look how she's just chilling with her arm over that. So cute. Oh my gosh, I love these cats. Oh my goodness. Cosmo. You're so beautiful, Cosmo. You guys are the sweetest things in the world. I hear you pitter-patting, Scarlett. We're going to. Mommy's gonna take you to check the mail. Oh my goodness. You guys got that spot before Little Feather did. I'm shocked. Arrow's gonna get you. He doesn't want to be up there with him for some reason. I put him in there and he got right back out. Feather just jumped in there. He just was sitting on the steps all by himself. Wait, honey. Let him play first. We don't want to interfere with that if they're just playing. I think they are. Meanwhile, oh, you're so cute. Can I have a kiss? Mommy kisses. I love you guys so much. Yeah, they're just playing. We don't ever want them to think it's not okay to play with each other. Okay.